Karlitang sumila rong hang piamen pen ake hai CEM tuliram rong hang school foundation along iki sompon. Lower tarapung sai tarua rong along rong asar ka chithi. KSYC pen KFA tum pherang kia mai kang nipon. Aprang si birta kilang arato ana phan kardom bajero kardom. Non karbilong ria birta long pen ojang terang pi non birta ang ton pen arju pangsena. Karbiang long autonomous council pen ake hai CEM tuliram rong hang foundation along i sompon tet pen gudam rong hang arong pen kilometer hini andam chet phang chop herere pu arong along si ME high school bipon. Lapen bangsoi school amen laki residential English high school lapen Karlitang sumila rong hang pipusi ake hai CEM ning Jepon. Lapen kidam tangjang mipo ni pai ingkoi rahini arni Karlitang sumila rong hang pia phan adai ka vipin pen apran karmudet ke ningduk piklo lasi Karlitang sumila rong hang pia phan apran karmudet abang pru Prakash Chandra Borthakur lapen asopo Nayan Moni Borthakur atoma phan kok that direk nang jipusi MP Horen Singh be pen phirang kiang nu pachinipo lapen gudam rong hang rong thang kaching thor abipin lang lasi non tong sikot pen towar me ki jona lang non ni thomang pong pen van pipo lapen phang chop herere arong asorta ningduk ningkarong pen iskola hem ki kim jadim long le thik pidon lapen Karlitang sumila rong hang pia phan apran ke endera jok non chikloi jon angbong pen ahok pe akang sai long ponang pupota ake hai CEM tudiram rong hang pen ning jepo tim Karbiang long tum pen chilang pet si pinya mai insam jin pen pachun po
Apakah orang tum kira ngadak akhirat ke pajak tigang kopi piasan lah.
Itu Karbiang autonomous council pen EMMC ke doan lapen ke MLA one month salary bangke sepuluh jon salary bangke nitum dak tigang lo lapen CM relief fund ahin kana lakyap tigang lo dan Karbiang autonomous council board chairman atau ta sepuluh jon salary bangke dak tigang lo lapen ke dak ME school high school ada kini ani jok sompo lapen pining dan tidak bang kelas bang pining laso aningkan dan tidak kelas bang nak cek konpo lapen ke dak ladak sumila rong hang piamen pen Karbiang autonomous council pen herang ke thaga hem lapen ke hon pen cenglok atherang gat kadok eta Karbiang autonomous council pen si konpo lapen dak laso rong ke chehla lapan Jarso kasih sagdo letak Karbiang autonomous council pensi pewar blok akam klan si lempi ponpo dan bahaya sayang dengan tapi non covid doko covid akeso laso abul doko kasih laso lockdown lahai kang pulo plong te lahaya sayang dengan tapi ni kepangdakan nangke lapen ke pangceng ponpo lapen Karbiang autonomous council officers satu benta ladak cikloyon lapen ke pangceng honpo lapen Karbiang autonomous council officers satu benta ladak cikloyon asiliri bangke dak tumira rohang pi asal pisar beraphan alang tum pajiri
Dak sebenarnya orang hang pi ke doa bohal dak gudam rong hang along dak kadu edon kret hom do pusi perang ke tum hanak tan lebang song bong dak sebenarnya kiuna lang siksak pik ladak kiuna lang mang itu
lang mang ke pini pina bang bong pen ke papang cengki planta ladak nam bong po
isi bikiut si bang lalu sebenarnya orang hang pi panon kang saya pe kelong ipan ko anang deng sunang tum Karbiang
non na ke penanang deng nam po ceklo yo nang bong alang li report people moloi bora secretary commissioner alang hansi inquiry commission mang alang hansi piglo one man commission la alang li bang podak prabjin pen pini pen nama bang po la pen si rat honda aljuji la pen ke song ke doan tum hana jetong kangji la pen dakan nang humriji hamren ta duji nong wesi la si la sorry put submit lo polong te la ke prabjin pening sai la pen ke pangceng honpo la pen Karbiang autonomous council officers satu benta ladak cikloyon asiliri bangke dak tumira rohang pi asal pisar beraphan alang tum Pajiri.
Dak sebenarnya orang pi ke doa bohala dak gudam rong hang long dak kadu we don kre thom do pusi ferang ke tumhan tan lebang song bong dak sebenarnya kiuna lang sik sak pik ladak kiuna lang bang
Juran lang mang ke pinyi pinabang mong plan ke papang cengki planta ledak nam bolpo.
isi bikyut si bang la sebenarnya orang pi panon kang sai ok pe kelong ipan ko anang deng sulang tum karbilong
Non mang ke penanang ding nam po cek lo yon nang bong alang li report people moloi bora secretary commissioner alang hansi inquiry commission mang alang hansi piglo one man commission la alang li bang podak kapjin pen pini pen nama bang po la pen si rat honda arjuji la pen ke song ke doan tum hana jitong kangji la pen dakan nang humriji hamren ta duji nong wesi la sorry put submit lo polong te la ke kapjin pen sai.
Assam Assembly Judet Pen Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ang hoi ingni pongsi MLA tumapan kaprek Minister Arpu Pek Ponlo. Bonta Karbi Anglong Pen di Mahasa ubang po BJP MLA tumapan inut panta Minister Arpu Pek Pon pedelo. HED Minister anta kaprek pan kipidet kining duk memi alam lo pusi KSYC la pen KFA tum perang kia maya long ning jepong. Lasi Prabjin Pen Karbi Anglong Pen di Mahasa MLA bang po tumapan inut bakapan Minister Arpu Kepek Jepan kacuning report.
We offer heartiest congratulations to Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma on his assuming office as the 15th Chief Minister of Assam. Heartiest congratulations to all members of the newly constituted state cabinet. The Hills people are indignant. The Hills people have elected all the 5 BJP candidates to the state assembly from all the 5 Hills constituency, but none of the 5 MLA has well bred. No one from the Hills area has been represented in the newly constituted state cabinet. The Hills area of the state have been left out. Is the hill area not a part of Assam? Is the Hills area insignificant now in the state politics? Is none of the MLA from the Hills area incompetent and incapable to head the ministry of the state government? Why did the BJP nominate incompetent and incapable person to represent the Hills area in the state assembly? The BJP MP. The Hills area department is the end result of the joint center state study on development of Hills area in 1965. A joint center state study team was constituted by the planning commission to study the development program of the Hills area of Assam. The study team were headed by Sri Tarlok Singh, member planning commission, and later it came to be known as Tarlok Singh Commission. Considering the problem of the Hills district and significantly different from those of the other part of Assam, the committee, among other things, suggested constituted a planning board for the Assam Hills region and appointed an appointment of the development commission for the Hills area of the state. This is now the Hills area development came into existence. The Hills area department has been compensation to the Hills people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hausa for their opting to remain in Assam when the then Meghalaya Autonomous State was created in 1969, and therefore conventionally one of the MLA of the ruling party from the Hills area is inducted into the state cabinet and placed in charge of the HED through subparagraph 3 and paragraph 14 of the 6th schedule to the constitution, empowered the governor to place one of the ministers especially in charge of the welfare of the autonomous district and autonomous region of the state. Now, the ministers from the plane has been placed in charge of HED. It hurt the feeling and heal the people because they have strong emotional attachment with the department. One of the MLA from Hills area therefore should and could have been inducted in the state cabinet and placed in charge of the department. Had the Hill people joined Meghalaya, ministerial breadth in the state cabinet of Meghalaya would have been granted. The Hills people would have always a share part in the government. This was our press note. We would like to appeal the state government led by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma that we have a lot of hope on the new government because he have mentioned in his rally that he have a very feelings for the peoples of Karbi Anglong. So we had a lot of confidence that the people of Karbi Anglong would be able to see Parivartan with this with the new government. But what we have seen is that after winning all the 5 seats, the people from the 5 constituency, Hill constituency, have been not given a ministerial bread. So appeal, on behalf of the 2 organizations, appeal the state government to give the ministerial post to the 5 represented MLA from Karbi Anglong Hosau, so that development can take place in the hill region also. Thank you.
Lakha ingkoi rapho nilip constituency ka perlu lower tarapung sai taru arong non ke do bom rong asar Samson taru rong ami karatuma phan rong asar chunon pusiningji la sojok jinthong asar babu sing rong pia phan rong asara kimi pek ponderlo jinthong richo rong hang richo thengno jaipondo bon sita jinthong richo rong hang richo lapen rong asar ki thigi ding ki do an atum alaming siring chap dun pami pen rong asar batpon pederlo lapen nat ning chepang samjin pen kaya teng kaya mang sonsi rong hang richo sunaren tokbi jinthong richo jeng rong pi lapen rong asar ki do an ki thigi ding atum ki do an atum ingsir ingchap dun pami pen kaya teng sonsi padu pon thukok tarapung pen pherang ki joy sing terong Karbilong re birtalong birtanang pali
Mikata the pulo ga. Ante po Amerika raso ke sa chupu pulo. Chisik elo pulo. Ante chisik achidang tandelo po ante itum baro gambura ke thegi ding do dakho ten phang rong hang le long ke tu ante ke thegi ding sai delo. Anu tina rong long ar pudo muni sai delo rong tina ta. Ante ko malo sare pi. Itum baro gambura itum ten phang rong hang itum do ben sa pi. Ma piun ne to di pula puta. Ne bang piam te gadi po bang.
La kangbura ke khabe thei bulo.
Naga jula jendano hang tu.
Tela kin thoro ha dung kon. Maro sa.
Maro si po ma. Sa pare me ong si lum thak thak lum bok thak the. Pulo tang te. Rong thak the ru thak the. Pulo te po ma bang si. Po be phung bang do po. Ta pu thak.
Kangbura ke thei puti ni dung jin thoro ha ke bang khri ni dung bat thei. Nang sa tu yuli ki bo. Nang hang re bo ta ni tu nang bat thei. Tu bulo na bat ko. Tani ma ong. Te bang bat thei tu
Pinya birtala ansikang ton chalo katuka via phanta kardom